Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have a Wahoo fitted cap. Let's take a look at what we have in today. Here it is, Chief Wahoo Cleveland Indians cap. The Cleveland Indians are now non-existent, but they are always going to be a legendary baseball team, legendary sports franchise in the United States. Period. And nothing will ever change that. So the Indians became the Guardians. The Wahoo logo is banned. Some hat customizers. I just only know of one currently that has access to the Wahoo logo. There might be more, but I'm only seeing new editions of Wahoo hats from one seller. So it's an interesting. It'd be interesting to see if it's still in the system or not. I'm not exactly sure in the New Era customization system. I hear it is, but I'm not sure. Like, you can only use the Wahoo logo with Cleveland Indian colors. You cannot make custom hats, but I've also seen custom hats. So it's probably who you know type of situation going on there. Let's take an up close look at the logo. 7/5/8 we're working with. This was probably made around 2018 through 2020, I would like to say. 2021. This is a side patch cap. And this is the 1995 World Series logo that has been used for this cap. Nice clean stitching. Back of the cap. I'd like to say that the Cleveland Indians played the Atlanta Braves in the 1995 World Series. And the Indians ended up losing 4-2. For all those stacked Braves teams throughout those years to win one World Series, that gotta feel disappointing. And vice versa with the Indians. Indians had some very, very good teams and good players during those 90s, and to win nothing is probably even more disappointing. But I digress. Side shot right here, you got nothing going on. You don't have the New Era logo on this cap. The 95 patch covers that New Era logo where it should be, or where it would be. Not necessarily where it should be. This is a wool cap, 100% wool as you can see. MLB genuine merchandise, and 7/5/8. Oh, what do you think of this cap? Do you like it or love it, hate it or dislike it? Cleveland Indians 1995 World Series commemorative side patch. This is obviously going to be one of the more iconic logos to ever go down in professional sports history. Without question, it is. And that is that. If you like this type of content, subscribe. If you like to purchase these type of items and more with free shipping within the United States, description for all the details on where you can go. Do not miss out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoy the content. More Chief Wahoo hats are definitely on the way. You want to subscribe for that. Stay tuned. And have yourself a wonderful day. So long and farewell. Goodbye.